Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will talk about a law that were used by Robert Kiyosaki. That name is leverage. In this video, I will tell you how to use leverage. I mean the principles. Okay, next, introduction. To create a good business model and implement the concept of leverage as described in Robert Kiyosaki's book Cashflow Quadrant, there are several key steps you can follow. First, understand the cash flow quadrant. Familiarize yourself with Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant, which categorizes people into four quadrants: employee, self-employee, business owner, and investor. The goal is to move from the S quadrant to the B quadrant, where you can leverage other people's time and money. Next, identify your strengths and interests. Determine your areas of expertise and passion. This will help you identify the type of business that aligns with your skill and interests. 3. Build systems. Instead of focusing solely on creating a product or providing a service, shift your mindset to building a systems that can run independently and generate income. A systemized business relies on processes, automation, and a team to carry out tasks, reducing the dependency on personal effort. 4. Delegate and outsource. Leverage other people's time by hiring employees or outsourcing tasks that are not within your core competencies. This allows you to focus on high-value activities while others handle routine tasks. 5th, raise capital. To leverage other people's money, you may need to raise capital for your business. This can be done through various means, such as seeking investors, applying for loans, or utilizing crowdfunding platforms. 6. Develop strong leadership skills. As a business owner, you must develop effective leadership skills to inspire and guide your team. Leadership involves setting a clear vision, communicating goals, and empowering your employees to take ownership of their responsibilities. 7th, create scalable and replicable business models. Design your business to be scalable, meaning it can grow without being limited by your personal time and effort. Additionally, aim for a replicable model that can be expanded to multiple locations or markets. 8. Focus on marketing and sales. Regardless of the quality of your product or service, you need effective marketing and sales strategies to attract customers and generate revenue. Invest in marketing efforts that reach your target audience and communicate the value your business provides. And 9th, continually learn and adapt. Stay up to date with industry trends, seek new opportunities, and be open to adapting your business model as needed. Embrace a growth mindset and continuously invest in your personal and professional development. And lastly, conclusion. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and persistence. Learning from successful entrepreneurs, including those like Robert Kiyosaki, can provide valuable insights, but it's essential to adapt their concepts to your specific circumstances and market conditions. Okay, guys, that's all from me in this video. I hope this video can help you become the next millionaire of your family and to become 1% better each day and 36 times better next year. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. And see you in my next video. Bye.